Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Honey Brook, or 11 miles east of New Holland, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Pottstown, Stoneyville, Coatesville, Downingtown, Royersford, Trapp, Honeybrook, Elverson, New Morgan, Putown, Leonville, Markwood, Valley Forge, Glenmore, Powley, Chester Springs, Leonville, Chadarville, Spring City, Malvern, and South Pottstown. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 296 and 323. Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 3. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Chester, and Montgomery.